Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley here, and today I am here with another C++ tutorial to help you get an A in your coursework or exam, and today we're here with how to do another length check in C++. Click the eye up in the corner for a playlist on how to do different type of length checks. In this tutorial, we'll be checking if the length is equal to a certain value. So basically we're going to get a string and we're going to check if the amount of characters in the string, or the length of the string, is equal to a certain value. Let's get right into it. Firstly, be sure to import iostream and string because we'll be needing these. Now, in our main method, we're going to do std_string user input equals Jeff. So this variable will represent user input. In this tutorial, we do not cover how to get user input, only how to validate it. And on the next line, we are going to do std_cout arrowheads, std bool alpha, arrowheads, length check, user input, and 5. So don't worry about this, we're going to define this in a moment. Std bool alpha will basically make sure that any booleans in this cout statement will be printed as true or false as opposed to 0 or 1, because in C++ a boolean is printed with a 0 or a 1 by default. This line of code makes sure they are printed out as true or false. You don't have to include it, but I want to. And obviously, cout is printing stuff to the console. So let's go and define our length check. So this is our length check. So it's bool, because we're going to be returning a true or a false. Length check, because it's the name. Std string input is our first parameter, and int size is our second parameter. This is going to be the input we want to validate, and this is going to be the size we want our input to be considered valid. So what we do is we do return, and this is going to return a true or a false to whatever we called the function, in this case here. And input.length basically will get the size of this string as an integer. So if it's Jeff, then this becomes a 4. And then we're going to check if it's equal to size. So we do double equals for comparison and then size. If our user input is a size of 4, so it's Jeff, and our desired size is 5, this statement returns a false overall because 4 is not equal to 5. Let's say we do Jeffy with a Y, so this is 5, and our desired input size is 5, then this returns a true overall because 5 is equal to 5. If our string length was 6, but our desired size was still 5, it would return a false because 6 is not equal to 5. And that's basically it, so let's test the code. So it's false because, well, Jeff is 4 characters long, and 4 is not equal to 5. So let's change this to 4 and see what happens. Well, it's true because 4 is equal to 4. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more C++ tutorials. Thanks for being a great audience.